Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn triangles together, step by step. Here we study when two triangles are congruent, that is, exactly the same shape and size. We'll learn the rules for proving congruence, properties of isosceles triangles, and some important inequalities. Two triangles are congruent if they have the same shape and size, so that every matching side and angle is equal. Once congruent, we use the rule CBSET, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. We don't need all 6 parts to prove congruence. Any of these is enough. Side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, 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 or for right triangles, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Suppose AB equals DE, angle A equals angle D, and AC equals DF. We have 2 sides and the angle between them equal, so by the side-angle-side rule, the triangles are congruent. In an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. A key property is that the angles opposite those equal sides are themselves equal, and the converse holds too. Equal angles give equal sides. 2 inequalities to remember. The angle opposite a longer side is larger, and the sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Can 3, 4, and 8 be the sides of a triangle? Add the 2 smaller. 3 plus 4 is 7, which is less than 8. Since the sum fails to exceed the third side, no such triangle exists. To recap, prove congruence with one of the 5 criteria, then use CBSET. In isosceles triangles, equal sides give equal angles, and the sum of any 2 sides must exceed the third. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.